Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. If you are watching this, if you are new here, don't hesitate to subscribe and follow for more videos. So today I'll be exposing a website, yes, an interesting website where you can check, that is for YouTube creators, where you can check similar thumbnails, monetize, like you can check people's monetization, yes, monetization checker, the money made in a particular video. You can copy description, categories and other things. So this site, I'm going to exposing it so that you can learn from other, it's an educational site to learn from other creators like you, so that you can, okay, your competitive creators, you can learn from them, learn from the way they create their videos, or the way they create their video, the way they upload their video. You can learn from them. You can also copy the way they did, since they are your competitive creators. And the best thing is that this site can give you detailed information. Yes, detailed information about a particular video. You only just to paste the link in the site, and the site will give you each detail, the money range that that video would make, or made. Will I say made? Yes. So this site, I'm going to be exposing it now, and do well to watch till the end, because I'm going to be doing a screen record that will explain everything in details. See you. Thank you for staying in touch. So before I proceed on this site, I do well to make my research on ChatGPT. So I asked ChatGPT some things and details, and you can see ChatGPT confirm the actual what the site is all about. Yes, ChatGPT puts a lot of details here, which you can see in this video. Now you can see I'll head on to Mr. P's channel to check one of his video details on that his video. So I'll just come here and click share and copy the link. So after copying the link, come back to this and just type ytlarge.com. Type in ytlarge.com. So I appear in this site here, and I paste the link of Mr. P's video, and just select the tool I want to use. I want to check the money he made from this video, monetization checker. So this is Mr. P's video, and as you can see, let me zoom it to that. The status is 90% verified and active ads and everything. So he posted this, or he uploaded this video August 8, 2026 at 5 p.m. No restriction to region. And you can see this is also the details, like the chapters in the video, the chapters in the videos, in the video actually. So let's check the money he made on this video, and boom, this is the money he made from this video. You can see earning range from $390K to $656K. You can see, and see the total views. Total views is 78 million views. So estimated earning for this Mr. Beast video is $540,000. You can see through here you'll be able to know some things, learn some. Okay, this channel actually made a lot of money, and you can take some things from this channel. Okay, this is the channel ID, the title, Mr. Beast, and also some ideas. It's for educational purpose, not to go and see secret or this thing. So actually this is very good, and you can also use it for your YouTube video and so. But I'm going to test. I hope you are following this teaching. So I'm going to also go back and test a TikTok video, a TikTok link, to also know detail about the TikTok, whether it works for TikTok as well. So ytlarge. Paste the link. So you can see that, you can see what is here. I want to show you something. See, I said earlier that it's only for YouTube creators. So you can see it only works for YouTube and not for other social media platforms. So you can see Mr. Beast's video, the amount of money made in his video, and I think that is a motivation and a way to learn the way he created his video, the way pattern he created. Like you can also learn from other competitive creators that create videos similar to yours. So you can learn from their video, the way they create their video, and if that video, that niche is making money, you can also learn from there. I hope this give you a lot of things to learn, and see you in my next video. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow or subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Thanks.